See this also there. So we remove this and we hold on, this water's coming up like that. You can smell the new, so you do this. And if it's it's the fixing time. Yeah, let's go now. Then it's done. Now I'll show you how we recharge it. Hi, my name is Tick. You already know. And our surprise is called I know what's it. But I know, but you must stupid. Excavator. It's a big excavator. You know where we open it? It's from this way. Off we go. Activate over here. Look at this one. And don't forget your book and your sticks. Alright. How do we remove it? Is interesting. It's like this. We don't want this one. How are we going to take this way? We don't want this one away too. And this one. And first let's see in our books. It says you press this so that will go front and this go it's boring. I know already. This will I see you. But if you don't know, you probably know. Wait. If you on it first, that's a lot, alright, we remove it. See this also there. So we remove this and we get this big giant battery out here. That's the thing, there's the battery we use to put in. Alright, I'm going to put it in here. So, ooh, what is that? Shut up. Alright then. Then, hold on, this water's coming up like that. You can smell the new thing. Smell. Alright, I already done it. Now we're going to open it. It's the same place where we're going to be open it. If you do this, then go backwards. If you do this, go front. So, this is big. So you do this. And if you say this, then put the set into there. And take it on part 2. Now let's see we do this. Alright. Then that. Hold on guys. Alright, this front now. So how about we put all the parts? We first need to know what these do. So I'll do this. I'll do this. And I'll do this. And I can do this. And then I will dig and do that. Alright, let's get off from that. It's because we see this new driver. We can't count that, sorry, but we could noise it. out of the way. Ooh, I don't know what is this. Okay. So I already show everything. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the resins. So the batteries. Alright, start off this. Oh, forgot. And you can do it the arm style. Ooh, interesting. And if it fall down, so if it's fall down like that, so you put the stamp, so you pretend this your arm is the man. Oh, what is this? Let's fix this up here. Oh, it's not fixing time. Yeah, let's go now. Then it's done. Now I'll show you how we recharge it. It's the same thing. So we remove this too. You must do this and then this. Look at that. If you want to remove this, the same thing you must do. Alright. Oh, we don't want to do that because we must do that battery, of course. This is the way to do it. Yeah, there we go. There, I don't detach it really. I'll show you. There's a red light popping out. This is red light. The red light, when it's gone, it means this charged. Yeah. So now let's go out from the. I'll see you at my. Oh, forgot. Today I'm gonna show you a car box too. I'm gonna now pop it on. Now I'm gonna show you I'll show you how to put a car together. Look like this. If you can leave it. Oh, and you can do this too as well. And behind one. And that will show you inside what it looks like. We will make it to our shirt. I'll use this box to refix it. Alright? So see you today on my part. Alright? Bye.